describe that for us over the next 4 years? And well, for those listening on the podcast, even if you're watching this, you might think, well, I've launched the 2028 president.
As long as he can do that, basically can read he can read the terms and service to you of Facebook, and Joe would be like completely enthralled the whole time. But in some ways, though, Joe has a way of making that conversation feel authentic. So it tricks people into thinking it's an authentic conversation, even though Mark Zuckerberg, 100%, he had a vision of how he wanted that conversation to go. Same with Mark Andreessen. You can tell.
What are you doing?
Listening to it. Oh, yeah.
Sorry. What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah. And, you know, I think Marsh agrees with me that there's sort of this simple views on what it means to be a man, especially.
So if you understand really who your adversaries are and how they're going to attack you along MITRE ATT&CK framework, you can put those behavior things.
Dickhead!
You can put, you know, the network detections in place. You know,
Fuck's sake!
Why do KFC call it a slider? Because you slide right into KFC when they're just $2, which they are right now. I mean, I'm ordering original tender all wrapped up into one FLG snack for just $2.
Wow!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
I never had a job or finished school. I sit at home in me wife beater, watching movies. Government pays for my address, but I still head out to vlog shit from Northgate. And everybody's like, doll scum, welfare, Centrelink, bludger, drug fuck, dope heads, go and get a job, champ, like they care. But let me tell you, we've got it made, cause we're all like Jim Beam, flat screens, Commodore or Falcon, knife bites, neck tats, puffs of marijuana, we don't care. This is what it's like to live the dream, and we'll always be bogan. Bogan. You can call me Sharon. My kids are 7, 5 and 3. Different fathers, obviously. All the dads are in Brisbane. Brisbane. Most for armed robbery, but mate, that's cool. I'll get child support money. You can find us in Chigwell, Bridger, Hewitt and Glenorchy, Clarendon, Brisbane, Moonahan and Rugby, everywhere. We're doing blockies on the city square, but in the north we'll be at Nifton, Penguin, Ravenswood and Rocherley, hanging outside of that park with the monkeys, don't you stare. And we'll always be bogan. Bogan. You won't catch me in Sandy Bay. Those pricks are hot.
Fucking hell!
An Asian meter. It seems wild to me. How do you even measure that? Great position to go for.
Best. Alright, Jack, good to have you, man. Always a pleasure. Alright, this has been Starbucks.
Can't help like wanker. And his glory. Yeah, nice one, Bozo. Bet you're turning right. Yep. Oh, nice one, Bozo.
Oh, what the fuck is this? Idiot day? Fucking moron.
Yes, girl.
Fucking stupid. What are you doing? Fucking hell. The fuck was that shit?
Right.
Fucking hell.
Distributor control room with a message directed to the driver of the truck travelling southbound that just entered the main tunnel. Your vehicle has struck overheight detection devices. You must reduce your speed now. If your vehicle has made contact with the tunnel, you must stop now.
Oh, look at the racing level. Oh yeah, okay.
At all. Maybe even, you know, kind of an inverted.
Too short to be a hearse. You have to fold them up.
Turning line. Ah. Oh, look at this kitty.
It's a neat old thing. Oh, that's a nice old thing.